Medical and healthcare technology has advanced rapidly due to breakthrough in electricity and magnetism. Devices such as magnetic resonance imaging, which is MRI machines, X-ray imaging systems, defibrillators, and nerve stimulators rely on this physical principle to diagnose, monitor, and treat patients effectively. Understanding the science behind these technologies helps explain why they are essential in modern healthcare and how they continue to improve patient outcomes worldwide. On this slide, I will explain the electricity and magnetism concepts behind medical imaging technology. Firstly, electromagnetic waves plays an important role in medical imaging technologies such as X-rays and also MRI scanning. Electromagnetic waves are waves of energy that travel through space at the speed of light. Different types of electromagnetic waves have different wavelengths and energy levels. In medical imaging, X-rays use high-energy electromagnetic waves that are able to penetrate the human body. So then structures like bones absorb more X-rays while softer tissues absorb less. This difference allows doctor to clearly see internal structures and identify fractures or any abnormalities. Overall, electromagnetic waves enable doctors to produce internal image of body without performing surgery, making diagnosis safer and more efficient. Next, magnetic fields and nuclear magnetic resonance are the key principles behind MRI machines. MRI machines generate very strong magnetic fields that cause hydrogen atoms in the human body to align in a specific direction. So, since the human body contains a large amount of water, hydrogen atoms are abundant and ideal for imaging. When radiofrequency pulses are applied, these aligned hydrogen atoms are disturbed. As they return to their original position, they release signal. These signals are detected by the MRI machine and converted into high-resolution image of organs and soft tissues. This technology is specifically and especially useful because it does not use ionizing radiation, which make MRI scans safer for patients while still providing extremely detailed image.
Next, this slide explains the fundamental electricity and magnetism principles behind medical technologies. First, electric current and voltage play a crucial role in biomedical devices. From a physics perspective, electric current is the flow of charge, while voltage provides the potential difference that drives this flow. Defibrillators apply a very high voltage to deliver a brief but intense current through the heart. This resets the heart electrical activity by depolarizing cardiac cells simultaneously, allowing normal rhythm to resume. In contrast, nerve stimulation devices operate at much lower voltage and currents. These controlled currents interact with nerve membranes by alternating ion movement, which can either activate or block nerve signals. Secondly, induced current and electromagnetic induction are explained by Faraday's law. A changing magnetic field induces an electric current in nearby conductors. In medical applications like MRI or therapeutic devices, coils generate time-varying magnetic field. These fields induce currents within tissues, enabling imaging or target treatment without direct electrical contact. Overall, these devices rely on core physics law governing electricity and magnetism. This slide shows how electricity and magnetism are applied in real medical technologies. First, MRI machines operate based on strong magnetic field and electromagnetic induction. From physics, nuclei such as hydrogen protons align with an external magnetic field. Radio frequency pulses disturb this alignment, and the emitted signals are detected to form high-resolution images of soft tissue without ionizing radiation. Second, X-ray imaging and CT scan use high-energy electromagnetic waves. These waves interact differently with materials of varying density. Dense structures like bones absorb more radiation, while softer tissues allow more transmission, creating contrast in medical images. Third, defibrillators apply electrical principles by delivering a large current to restore synchronized electrical activity in the heart during cardiac arrest. Lastly, TENS devices apply low frequency electrical pulses that interfere with pain signal transmission in nerves based on electrical excitation of neurons. These examples demonstrate how fundamental physics principles are translated into life-saving medical technologies.
Now, I will talk about the benefits and challenges of medical technology. First, the benefits. Medical technology helps doctors diagnose disease more accurately, such as using MRI and CT scans. Many treatments are non-invasive, which means less pain for patients. Some devices like defibrillators can save lives in emergency. These technologies are also make patients more comfortable. Next, the challenges. Medical machines are very expensive and costly to maintain. Too much use of X-ray can be harmful due to radiation. Special skills are needed to use advanced equipment safely. Also, people in rural areas may not have access to these technologies.
As for future developments and innovation, portable and wearable MRI scanners should be created for emergency and remote use. Diagnosis speed can be improved using AI enhanced imaging. Chronic pain or paralysis could be treated using wireless and implantable nerve stimulators. Quantum-based imaging could be used for even more detailed internal scans and lower radiation imaging system to increase safety on patients.
In conclusion, electricity and magnetism play a very important role in shaping modern medical and healthcare technology. Technologies such as X-rays, imaging, and MRI scans allow doctors to look inside human body accurately without invasive procedure. In addition, life-saving devices like defibrillators and therapeutic nerve stimulators rely on electrical and magnetic principles to restore normal body functions and support patient recovery. These technologies have significantly improved diagnosis, treatment, and overall patient care. Although challenges such as cost, safety, and accessibility still exist, continuous research and innovation are helping to overcome these limitations. Overall, advancement in electricity and magnetism promise a future where medical technology becomes more efficient, safer, and more widely available to society.